It is with great sadness that we announce the death of Mwendamberi, Baba va Jah Prayzah. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Management yanyora a press statement vakati ivo, it is with a heavy heart that we share the sad news of the passing of Sekuru Johnny Mukombe, the beloved father of Jah Prayzah. He left us in the early hours of this morning. During this difficult time, we ask for your thoughts and prayers for Jah Prayzah and his family. We kindly request that their privacy be respected as they mourn this tremendous loss. The family appreciates the love and support that you have always shown and are grateful for your continued understanding during these trying times. My further details, a funeral are going to be released in due course. Thank you for your compassion and sympathy. Sincerely, management. Vanhu vazhinji vabatikana nenyaya iyi vakati Mwendas vanga vakashanda nesimba zvikuru vakakudza mwana wavo nenzira yakanaka. He is actually such a respectable person, a respectful person zvakare, munhu ari generous anogona kushanda nevamwe zvakanaka. Saka Mwendamberi inguva yakaoma for family Mukombe right now. Inguva yakaoma zvikuru, asi tichange tingokupai panapa zvizere kuti maarrangements acho achanga akamira sei uye nekukava funeral yacho if it's possible. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to share kuti video redu riende mberi.